Hi, Happy New Year. This is Dorothy Smith. I'm close to my heart independent consultant, and I am going to show you our new seasonal expressions catalog for January and February and create. Okay, so this is our subscription page, and it shows you the layouts, scrapbook layouts, or card making scrapbooking, card making or scrapbooking. So either one is great. The papers that are going to be highlighted in this catalog are called Spruced Up, and I've started showing you some of the layouts already. And we've got our background and texture papers, which are our printed papers, and the cardstock that goes with it, and some die cuts, and some little wooden elements to put on the pages to make them interesting, and also our Picture My Life cards, which you can use for card making, for titling on your scrapbook pages, for journaling, or even pocket scrapbooking for super easy scrapbooking. And we have page protectors that hold those cards, those size cards. And here's a beautiful stamp set to make cards with the little chickadees and pines and thinking of you and best wishes and thank you. And anytime you see a green, that means that there are thin cuts along with the stamps. So you can get both, which is great. It helps for all that reducing the fussy cutting. Here's a gorgeous stamp for winter festivities with a little cabin. So cute, so pretty. And here is the workshop for Spruced Up. And like I said, I've started showing you the layouts already, and I will be doing more of those. And here is the card making set for Spruced Up, using the Spruced Up papers. You get julep glitter gems, which are gorgeous, and a stamp set and thin cut. You can see the thin cut shapes. And you can make 12 cards with this. You get designs and instructions for the 3 cards, and you can make 4 of each. And no fussy cutting. The thin cuts do it all for you. But these are great sayings to go with these cards that you can make for years to come. Those are timeless. So, very pretty and easy to make with our instructions. And just to show you what the glitter gems look like, because they're such a beautiful color. This is our color of the year. Look at how gorgeous they are. So, I love shiny. I love shiny. And this is the stamp and thin cut set. And just to show you exactly what it looks like. But there's also get to know your thin cuts and caring for your stamps. So it's a little bit of how you can use the thin cuts before or after you stamp. So you can cut the figures before and then stamp on them, or you can stamp them and then place the thin cuts with some washi tape over them and cut them that way. And then caring for your stamps, you always want to keep them on the carrier sheets and clean them. Don't store them on your blocks because it will crackle the blocks over a period of time. Take it from me, don't ask me how I know that. So it just kind of shows you that tells you that you want to season your stamps either with ink, or you'll see me do it on my skin to get the oils off of the stamp. Either way works out real great. So you just want to stamp it until you get a very clear image. So that's kind of new. I don't really remember that we had hints of how to take care of your stamps before, but maybe it's been there and I just never read it. So look at how nice those things. I mean, fussy cutting is nice kind of sometimes, but when you're getting something as detailed as that, it becomes more of a pain than anything. And so you'll just have to work that it's an asymmetrical stamp. So you'll just have to figure out how to do the layout of the stamp in the thin cut. But believe me, it works. So there we go. And you get, I'm just saying that the sentiments that come with that stamp set just will carry you through for a lot of cards for a long period of time. So Super easy instructions that come along with all of our workshops. Next paper is Celebrate Today. Very cute, great for birthdays, obviously. There's the lineup of colors for this particular set. And in case you've got little boys, it's okay for little boys too, because you've got greens and blues and sprinkles and a nice green and a watercolor type layout. So it can be for both girls and boys. And this comes, it doesn't come with the card set, because I thought that at first my vellum sheet was a mistake and didn't get printed. But that empty vellum sheet comes with this scrapbook workshop, along with a full page of stickers and super cool, clear compliments. They're going to be fun to work with. I think they're going to be real fun to work with. So anyway, we'll see how those go. And then you get a whole bunch of sequins. Yay, sequins. And of course, the vellum sheet. And the picture holders that comes with all of our scrapbook pages. So I'm just looking to see whether that vellum page is there. But it is something that you can purchase to go with this scrapbook set, or you can use it for cards too. It'd be perfect for cards. So here are the papers, which are very pretty. So cute, so festive and cheerful. And there's the sprinkles and the super bright pink. My goodness. Hurt your eye pink. Lots of balloons. Lots of balloons and clouds. And all sorts of fun little shapes. Oops, falling apart. The die cuts are much easier to deal with from this new, maybe we have a different die cutter, I don't know, but they're much easier to deal with. And then we've got some really cute stamps for making birthday cards for those of us who are getting to be certain ages. And they're just real fun instead of being all sweet all the time. So old is the new black. Yeah, well. Anyway, there are the layouts for the Celebrate Today workshop set. So it's just saying that what is included in the particular scrapbook set, and it's not the vellum die cuts. Those are separate. And very cute layouts. I really like them. And then here's the card making workshop for Celebrate Today. Very nice cards. And it says it's your day. Of course, that could be birthday, or it could be other things too. So very nice looking cards. And then these are our mix-in papers. They can either be used to extend our two named papers, or you can use them on their own and make your own pages with the mix-in papers. So here we go into our acrylic stamp set section of the catalog. And we've got some mandalas for people who love to color. And this is the first time, I believe, that we've had our M stamps, but we're offering thin cuts with each M stamp if you want. So you can get the stamp for $3.95, same price, or if you get the stamp and the thin cut, it's $7.95. And so if you have a special horse lover, or you like bees or birds or dragonflies, then you can do the thin cut with it. So you don't have to do, like, it's great for people that have problems with their hands. You just do the thin cut and you don't have to do all the fine cutting. Cute cowgirl stamp set with the boots and the hat and the horseshoe for the thin cuts. And this gorgeous flower, what is that called? A big flower bouquet, where you put the sentiments on the inside. So grateful, thank you, wonderful, really, really beautiful. Once again, can be used for whatever, for a long period of time. And here's some of our cute paper dolls. Very cute superhero paper dolls. They're called paper pals, but they look like paper dolls to me. And then we also have a fun thing for making those spin cards. So there are the stamps that you can put on your element that spins around. So very cute. And you could also make some Valentine cards with the little, the little heart candies. Well, these have the little stamps to go with it, so you can make a gumball machine filled with hearts. And cute little angel hug. That's a new stamp, and you're not old, you're vintage. That's me. I'm very vintage. So I love that lady with her fire on her cake on fire. And then, my favorite thing is embellishing envelopes. And so there's all sorts of great stamps for fussing up your envelope, or for making little elements down at the bottom on the right-hand side there. Very, very cute. I will probably get that because I love to stamp on my envelopes. And this is beautiful, this panel of floral border panels. And so we give you lots of ideas of things that you can make just by showing you pictures. This is for January. It's a special. You can get all 4 of them, and you get them for a special $10 off each if you get all 4. Or if you want to get them just one of them, then you get them for $34.95. So it's a kit, simple to put together and great for decorating your wall. But those are wood, so very cool looking. And this is the February special for making Valentine's cards, and lots of Valentine's cards. And so cute. And you can also make some Valentine pages. You've got stickers, got the cute stamp set and cardstock, and background and texture papers. Once again, and here is the thin cut for making that spin card. So very cool if you like to make spin cards. That would be very fun to make. This next page has some more thin cuts that say happy birthday. You can have a cute little scalloped circle and the embossing folder on the right-hand side. So here's a card made with the embossing folder, probably in julep, and then they took sandpaper and went over the tops of the letters to make the words stand out from the raised embossing. So very cool idea, which is, what our catalogs are known for, all the cool ideas in them. Love this holographic paper. Can't wait to get mine. And we have some new shimmer brushes. Love those things. And these little craft jars are not the little 1-inch size. They're like 3 inches across. So I can't wait to get some of those to put my sequins in. And here we go on to our stamps of the month. So this is for January. Very positive sentiments, can be used for pages or cards. And here's the February stamp of the month, which is all about loves. So to your friend or your mom or all the wonderful women in your life. Gorgeous stamps, great for coloring. Perfect. So here's our create cards. So we want to get to creating in the new year. So Happy New Year, everybody. Please shop with me at dorothy.ctmh.com. Thanks a lot. Bye now.